Space is weird. It's wild, it's beautiful, and it's full of planets that seem impossible. Planets made of burning ice, planets that rain glass sideways, even a planet that might, just might, be covered in diamonds. These aren't science fiction. Here are the 10 most interesting planets in space. Number 10. TRAPPIST-1e. Let's start with something familiar. Kind of. TRAPPIST-1 is about 40 light-years away. It's rocky, just a bit smaller than Earth, and it sits right in the habitable zone of its star. But don't get too excited. This Earth twin orbits a red dwarf, way cooler than our Sun. That means it's locked in a tug-of-war between warmth and deadly stellar flares. One side of the planet may be in permanent daylight, the other, endless night. Could life survive in the twilight zone between? We don't know yet, but it's one of the best places we're looking. Number 9. Kepler 10b. Imagine standing on the surface of a planet that's hotter than molten. That's Kepler 10b. This world orbits its star every 20 hours. It's so close, its entire surface is basically a sea of lava. Temperatures reach over 2,500 degrees Celsius. And get this, it might rain rock. Evaporated minerals could condense in the air and fall back down as solid droplets. It's not just a planet. It's a molten inferno. Number 8. HD 189733b. You're in space. You find a planet that's bright blue, like Earth from afar. But don't be fooled. This planet is HD 189733b and it's hell. Winds scream at 400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. And that blue color? It comes from silicate particles. Translation, it rains glass sideways. Picture billions of tiny blades flying horizontally at hypersonic speed. Beautiful, but deadly. Number 7. PSR B11257 plus 12b. Some planets shouldn't exist, and PSR B11257 plus 112b is one of them. It orbits a pulsar, a dead star left behind after a supernova. That explosion should have destroyed everything. But somehow, this planet, or what's left of it, survived. Or maybe it formed after the star died. Either way, it's orbiting a spinning cosmic corpse that blasts radiation into space. It's not a planet that nurtures life. It's a planet that outlived death. Number 5. WASP-12b. Ever seen a planet get eaten alive? Because WASP-12b is literally being consumed by its own star. It's a gas giant, just like Jupiter, but it orbits so close to its star it's being torn apart. The gravity is stretching the planet into an egg shape, pulling atmosphere away like taffy. In a few million years it'll be gone, just erased. We're watching it in its final moments. A cosmic countdown. Number 4. GJ1214b. Imagine a planet with no land, no mountains, no deserts, just water. GJ1214b is about 2.6 times Earth's size and likely made almost entirely of water. But don't pack your swimsuit. With pressures thousands of times what we feel on Earth and temperatures around 200 degrees Celsius, this isn't a relaxing ocean. Scientists think there could be supercritical water, a state that's not quite liquid, not quite gas. And maybe an ocean floor with exotic alien chemistry. It's not Earth's twin, it's Earth's strange aquatic cousin. Number 3. 55 Cancri E. What if I told you there's a planet that might be made of diamond? 55 Cancri E orbits so close to its sun, a year there lasts just 18 hours. But its composition? Rich in carbon. Combine that with intense heat and pressure and some scientists believe the interior could be crystallized carbon, also known as a planet with a diamond heart. It's probably not one giant gem. But still, it's one of the most valuable planets we've ever found. Number 2. TOI 849b. What happens when a gas giant loses its gas? TOI 849b is about the size of Neptune, but it's way too dense. That SS because it's probably a planetary core, the exposed heart of what used to be a gas giant. Maybe a collision blew off the atmosphere. Maybe the star stripped it away. Whatever happened, we're now looking at something we've never seen before. The insides of a planet laid bare. Number 1. Proxima b. The most interesting planet in space might be the one closest to us. Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. It's in the habitable zone. It's about Earth-sized, and if life exists anywhere outside our solar system, this could be where it starts, but it's complicated. Red dwarf stars are unstable. Solar flares might blast away any atmosphere. Or maybe Proxima b has magnetic fields strong enough to protect it. Maybe oceans shimmer under red skies. We just don't know. This is the planet we're most likely to visit. First with telescopes, and maybe one day with probes. The universe is full of planets stranger than anything we could have imagined. Worlds of fire and glass, water and diamond, death and potential. And we've only scratched the surface. Which planet blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the cosmos, like and subscribe. Until next time, keep looking up.